Career in digital marketing. In this video, we are going to cover digital marketing scope, courses, and jobs. The evolution of marketing has gone from mouth publicity to wall paintings, posters, pamphlets, cloth banners, hoardings, and so on. With the invention of television, marketing and advertisement had taken a new turn. Television commercials dominated the advertising industry. Innovative commercials mixed up with catchy music, innovative script, and mesmeric acting. These commercials ruled the advertising industry for almost 2 decades. What is digital marketing? Then came the revolution of information technology. With the widespread of internet facilities in every nook and corner, the usage of portable and mobile gadgets had rapidly increased. Computers and laptops came to every house, mobile phones had reached every human being on the planet. The time spent on television had drastically shifted to mobiles and computers. With this transformation, marketing strategies also took a remarkable transformation. Advertising and promoting goods and services on mobile devices got a brand new name: digital marketing. Promotion of a product or service on platforms like mobiles, desktops, laptops, digital signage, and other electronic gadgets using the internet as a medium is called digital marketing. Digital marketing is the art of promoting a product or service online using banner ads, emails, commercials online, etc. Scope for digital marketing. Digital marketing changed the perception of marketing and advertisement. Several corporate giants like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon had invented their own platforms for digital marketing. The scope for digital marketing seems never-ending. As long as the end user is connected to his mobile devices, he is a target customer. And hence, the scope for digital marketing had no limits until another new innovation was invented for marketing and advertising, which is not traceable in the near future. With the ample amount of job opportunities, careers in digital marketing have no limits. Fundamentals of digital marketing: search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media for more updates.